Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to turn off the location on your iPhone 17 Pro. So, at first we need to open the settings. Now we have to scroll down till we see the privacy and security over here. Tap it and now tap location services. To turn off the location, tap this switch over here and make this switch gray. Here, tap turn off to agree that you won't see this iPhone in the Find My. And actually, that's how it works. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. It's very important to us to have your feedback. And as I said, that's it. I hope it helps you and goodbye.